Before you rush to upgrade your motherboard, there are some surprising downsides to the ASRock Z890 Taichi Lite that you might want to hear about. Stick around to find out more. The ASRock Taichi Lite presents a sleek and minimalist design, focusing on functionality without unnecessary embellishments. Its matte black finish and subtle branding offer a professional aesthetic that fits seamlessly into any build. But does it exude the premium feel that its competitors boast? One of its standout features is the robust 20+1+2+1+1 power phase design, utilizing 110 ASmart power stage components. This setup ensures stable power delivery, catering to overclocking enthusiasts seeking reliable performance. Additionally, the motherboard supports high-speed DDR5 memory, accommodating up to a 9600 plus MHz and a maximum capacity of 256 GB, providing ample headroom for intensive applications. Storage options are plentiful, with 6 M2 slots, 1 supporting PCIe Gen 5x4 and 5 supporting PCIe Gen 4x4, alongside 4 SATA 3.6 GB/s ports. This configuration offers flexibility for various storage needs, from rapid NVMe SSDs to traditional SATA drives. Connectivity is another strong suit. The inclusion of dual Thunderbolt 4 Type-C ports allows for high-speed data transfer and versatile device compatibility. Network capabilities are enhanced with 5 GB/s and 2.5 GB/s LAN ports, complemented by Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4 support, ensuring fast and reliable wireless connections. Audio quality hasn't been overlooked. The integration of the Realtek ALC4082 5.1 CH HD audio codec, coupled with the ESS Sabre 9219 DAC and WIMA audio capacitors, delivers a rich and immersive sound experience, suitable for both gaming and media consumption. Priced at $400, the ASRock Taichi Lite positions itself as a competitively priced option in the high-performance motherboard market. If you're looking to balance advanced features with cost-effectiveness, this motherboard is worth considering. For the latest offers, check out the Amazon link in the description. So what are the pros and cons of choosing this motherboard? Cons: lacks easy PCIe release mechanism, limited to 5.1 channel audio support, no integrated RGB lighting. Pros: robust power phase design with 110 ASPS, high memory support up to 9600 plus MHz, multiple high-speed M2 slots, including PCIe Gen 5 support, extensive connectivity options, including Thunderbolt 4 and Wi-Fi 7, competitive pricing for the feature set. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to check out the Amazon link in the description for the latest deals. Also, subscribe, like, and comment on the video to stay updated with more reviews.